Welcome. In this episode, we will be building part 3-15, the boiler top tube plate for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 3-15, the boiler top tube plate. Let's open up template MMGS. Okay, this piece is very similar to the last one we've done. So technically could always recopy that. Let's build from scratch. Good practice. So top, sketch. Plus that way if anything's not quite right, it doesn't screw anything up. So you just want to circle out just like last time. This circle is going to be 244 instead of 195. So it's 244 this circle. We're going to extrude out 16. Feature extrude 16. Nope, 16. Thank you. Mid plane, which I don't think makes much difference for this again, but yeah, me I like mid plane. Shove that one in there to make it look pretty. So bottom, normal, sketch, circle, and that's going to be 244 minus 6. There we go, because you got 3 mil distance there, so 3 mil, 3 mil. Extrude cut. That's going to be 13, I think it was. Yes, 13. 13. That's done. Beautiful. Fillet. 3 mil. Done. Beautiful. That's that one done. Now let's put these holes in. Go normal 2. And sketch with help. So we've got another, that's going to be 70, so smart dimension 70. Yeah, you could do this and those holes in one scoop, so you can technically do that. Yeah, no, let me just do it this way. Extrude cut through all, and okay. So technically I could have done that, yeah, but do it this way. Let's see, sketch. So 1, 2, 3, 4 circles this time. 1, 2, 3. Go on a bit for 4. Before I do, let me go 4 construction line. 4 construction line. 4 construction line and 4 construction line. Let me do a before you do center line, thank you. 1 there to there to there. Bring that back. And 1 that way. Actually want 1 down this way too. Oop. There we go. So they locked in, beautiful. This is going to be 45. And this one here is going to be 30. There we go. Probably don't need quite that far out. Bring that one in. No. Makes no difference though. I'll just start this so then zoom in. It's not zoomed in out so far. Okay. Okay, so we got not that one. Let's go this one. 165. Next one. 133. Next one. 95. Yeah, other one is 184. 184. That one's done. Beautiful. Just double check. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Actually, no, I'm not gonna do that hole first. Where we had that hole I filled in, there's a big hole there. I'm gonna do that last. I'll do it on a different layer. Yeah. See what happens. See what happens. Because if I do it now, then I've got to fill it and put the other hole in. I've got to try and fill it in, but it's going to fill in that hole too. So, no worries. Okay, so we've got one there, and one there. There we go. So, we got, where are we? Circular. We'll do that one first. It's going to be 12. Beautiful. Circular. Let me clear selection. Oh. Clear selection. Put circle in there. Oh, look at that. Did perfectly. Nice. 12. Beautiful. Oh, what happened? Did I cancel accidentally? Oh, sorry. I went wrong way. 12. There we go. Must have cancelled it accidentally. That's so weird. Okay. So now, let's do that again. Circular. Clear. Clear. We want... Oh, it's remember, I've never put dimensions on those circles, did I? Ooh. Better fix that. 12. Done. They were 19, weren't they? Yes. I did that again. So weird. 19. Yeah, by rights, that should change all them. It does. Beautiful. 19. There we go. That's better. Let's try this again. And done. There we go. Oh, so weird. So this one here we've got to get rid of, but we've got to put a circle there. So let me go feature, through cut, through all, and okay. There we go. Now we need to fill that one in. So let me go to sketch, circle. That one. We want to go fill in, but we want the other way. I'm going down, but we want up to surface, which is this surface, and done. There you go. Exactly the same as before. Is it normal too? Now, unfortunately, I don't have that circle on there. Yeah, I got ahead of myself. That's fine. That's fine. Normal to sketch. So we just do that with circle again. So yeah, I didn't need that circle before. That's fine. No big deal. Let me go there. There we go. Now dimension. It's gonna be 30. Yes. And this is gonna be, what was it? 184. There we go. Circle. Oh, actually, stop. That's got to be construction. Sorry. There we go. Circle on the spot there. Can't move that. Nope. For some reason, I have a funny feeling it was not right. It is 25. 25. Yep, that's looking good. Feature, extrude, cut, through all, and that is that piece done. So it's the same as the other one. except it's bigger circle, and you've got this bigger circumference on the outside, and you got this circle here. So other than that, it's the same piece, same thickness, everything. So that's part 3-15, boiler top tube plate done. If you enjoyed the episode, click the like button. If you want to see more, consider subscribing. Leave comments below. Love you from guys and girls. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.